Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to start by opening settings, scrolling down and accessing display section. In it, click on this gray switcher next to adaptive brightness. And as you can see, after that, auto brightness is on. You can always switch it off by tapping on the same no blue switcher. If you wish to, you can always go into tap menu instead and tap on those three dots on brightness slider. Then manage adaptive brightness thanks to this switcher and save your changes by hitting done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!